Beneath the moon of shattered glass, the clash of swords, a song of past. Through ancient lands and shadows deep, rise warriors from eternal sleep. In golden armor burned by time, legends forged in blood and grime. The fields of dreams where heroes fall, echo screams in battle's call. Oh, raise your blade up to the sky, fight for honor, never die. In this world of endless fight, dark and light and wrong and right. Wizards cast their spells of doom, dragons rise from fiery tomb. With every strike, the stars align, destiny on battle's line. Hearts of vengeance burn so bright, revenge a fire in the night. In the maze of fate and lore, marching through eternal war. Through the mists of time they ride, on wings of hope and ancient pride. Magical the battles grow, as the winds of chaos blow. In the maze of time they ride, on wings of hope and ancient pride. Magical